The Air Jordan 11 Gratitude DMP releases on December 9th. Retail is $230, and I'm giving away a pair to one of you guys watching, my subscribers. To enter this free giveaway for a pair, all you guys need to do is smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the More family, comment down below, let me know what size you need in the Jordan 11s. Take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description, DannyMoore2369. Send me that DM on Instagram with proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. The DMP Jordan 11 giveaway ends on release day. I'll be picking the winner here on YouTube, announcing it on YouTube. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. And I will be giving away more pairs of the Jordan 11 DMPs in December. So make sure you guys subscribe. You guys have a few chances to get yourself a free pair of Jordan 11 DMP Gratitudes. Make sure you guys smash that like button and make sure you guys subscribe. The Air Jordan 11 DMP Gratitude from Nike. I got exclusive access. Let's get into this unboxing. We're going to unbox the Jordan 11 that's releasing on December 9th. Retail is $230. I'm going to tell you guys right now, I'm not sure if this sneaker is going to sell out. Stay tuned. I'm going to drop a full video talking about the Jordan 11 Gratitude DMP. Will they sell out? That is going to be a video in itself. It needs to be because of what's going on in the market. Let's get into this unboxing. I did open up the box, the top portion of the box already. Shout out to Nike for giving me a nice W with exclusive access nice and early for the Jordan 11 Gratitude DMP. I am very, very, very happy to have these and get exclusive access. We're going to talk about this sneaker, unbox them, and talk about the resell. Is this sneaker going to be worth your time, money, investment? Is the Jordan 11 Gratitude DMP a hold, or should you sell now? What should you do with your pairs if you are looking to make money? So let's get into the unboxing. We have an all black, beautiful black box. It kind of looks like a mid-box, I'm going to be honest. You have the gold Jumpman. And then on the back of the box, you have all white, switch up right there. You do have the tag. You have a gold little foil there, nice for the circle there. And then you do have the label. I did get my size 11. Take a look at that label. This colorway does read white, metallic, gold, and black for the official colorway. And you do have some gold hits at 23 on the box as well. Pretty boring box this year, I'm going to be honest. Kind of looks like a mid-box, like I said. But we do have inside, you got the thank you on the inside in gold. The tissue paper has thank you written in a bunch of different languages. Spanish, French, English, a bunch of languages all throughout the paper. And then, of course, we have the sneakers. The Air Jordan 11. Here they are, the DMP Gratitude. This year's the 2023 Air Jordan 11. Will the Jordan 11 DMP Gratitude be worth your time, money, and investment? Should you guys hold on to this sneaker? Should you sell them right away? Here is my opinion. Sell them. Sell them right away. If you guys can make any money on the sneaker, do it, because you guys can take a look at the market right now. Resell is not there. There's no real profit on the sneaker when you consider retail, tax, go on apps. Then if you sell on the apps, you're going to wind up taking a loss. There's really no money to be made on them, but if you can make money on them, which I know a lot of resellers will be able to because it is the Jordan 11 after all, I do recommend quick flipping them. Don't hold them. I don't think they're going to be worth your time, your money, your investment. Will they ever creep up to $350? Yes, I do see it happening, but it's going to take 2 years, 3 years even, 4 years even. Who knows? I don't see it happening within the next year. I don't. I really do not see this sneaker creeping up within the next year. If it did creep up within the next year, then it would be a different story. Then I would tell you guys, hold them. I think it would be worth your time, money, and investment. But I simply don't think it's going to be worth the case. I don't think so. I think during the holidays, we'll see them creep up. Maybe at around 250, 260, 270. If you guys can dump them off for around that, get rid of them and make your profits, go ahead and do it. And I expect, this is going to be crazy, but I do expect next year, January, February, March, prices to come down. Hype's going to come down. We're going to get restocks. Pairs are going to be out there galore. A lot of pairs will be for sale. I just don't expect there to be a lot of profit on this sneaker, and I don't think it's going to be worth your time, money, or investment, which is crazy, absolutely crazy to say because it is a Jordan 11. And yeah, I'm going to say it. These basically are the DMP Jordan 11s. They're very, very similar, just a little bit of a difference. I do want to point this out to you guys and remind you guys, if you guys like a certain model of sneaker with the materials, right? If you like the 2006 DMP 11s, you're going to have to go get the 2006 DMP 11s. Jordan Brand's not going to bring them back exactly how they brought them back in 2006. They're going to do things to change it up. So what they did here was they gave us an all-leather upper, a tumbled leather upper, instead of the mesh. So with that being said, if you guys, like I said, Jordan Brand will bring back retros. We're going to get retros of everything. But if you want it to a certain specification, certain materials, you might have to go back and get that specific retro. If you're down to wait and then bring it back, they're going to bring it back, but it might have a twist on it, just like the Gratitude does, right? This is the DMP. They're bringing it back. It just has a twist on it with the switch up of the materials, a little bit different of an outsole slightly, and, you know, obviously no special box, no dog tag, and all that. But as far as the rest of the shoe, it is very similar to the DMPs. They're a must-have. They're straight fire. I love them. It's definitely a great pair. I am giving away a pair, so make sure you guys give away entries in. Make sure you guys like this video, smash that subscribe button, comment down below, let me know your size. Then take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the giveaway. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube on release day for the Jordan 11 DMPs. And I'm going to give away another pair as well after this giveaway, so make sure you guys subscribe. You guys have a few chances to get yourself a pair for completely free in your size. Let me know down below in the comments, will you guys be picking up the Jordan 11 Gratitude DMP? Are you guys calling these the Gratitudes? Are you calling them the DMPs? Here for YouTube, I'm kind of putting both in the title because I'm not sure what you guys are really going to call them. And I know a lot of people are going to go with DMP on the search, Gratitude on the search. You got to put both, I feel like. So yes, let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 11 DMP Gratitude. Do you think these will sell out? I will have a full in-depth video talking about will they sell out because of everything going on in the market right now, how the sneaker world is. For the first time, it's questionable, I'll say that, it's very questionable of whether the Jordan 11 for the holidays will actually sell out this year. I know, crazy. We'll talk about it and why they may or may not sell out. Let me know what you guys think if these will sell out. I will do a full video, like I said, so make sure you guys subscribe for that. And make sure you guys smash that like button. Listen, if you guys have not hit that like button yet, please take a second to hit that like button. It really does help the channel. Thank you guys so much for smashing that like button. And thank you for smashing that subscribe button. Join the Moore family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for joining me on my sneaker journey here on YouTube. So yes, let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 11 DMP Gratitudes down below. True to size. Definitely go to true to size. And I do want to tell you guys, more content coming on these. I have a bunch of videos coming on them. And I'm going to do a wear test video. I'm going to wear them for, I'm thinking a week. A whole entire week. Drop the video a whole week wearing the Jordan 11 DMP Gratitudes. If you guys are excited for that video, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 11 DMP Gratitude. Resell, man, it's struggling. I will say that. It's struggling for the first time on the Jordan 11 during the holidays, which is absolutely crazy to see. We're in a different time. We're in a different time. So I don't think they'll be worth your time, your money, your investment. If you guys can quick flip them, go ahead and do it. And move on to the next release. Pick up a personal pair, though. I do think if you don't, I think you will regret it. I think one day you will regret not picking these up. If it's questionable for you, if you're like on the fence, I say do it. and then get them in hand and make your decision later on. If you haven't seen them in hand, you're not sure, I say go ahead and try to cop them in hand, and then make your decision. I think you guys are really going to like the shoe a lot more in hand for what they are, and it's just a great pair. I also did a video, a comparison video of the Jordan 11 Gratitude DMPs versus the Concords. So the 2018 Concords. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you guys go check it out. I also have a real versus fake video up on the channel already as well, and another video on the Jordan 11 DMPs that they're going to be a problem. All these videos are up on the channel. I got content on them up and coming as well, so make sure you guys stay tuned and smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and let me know your thoughts on the Jordan 11 DMP Gratitude. Will you be picking up a pair on December 9th? Retail $230. Yes, retail has went up a few more dollars, which is crazy. But yes, that's the times we are in. Let me know what you guys think about them down below. Fire? Are they trash? How many pairs do you need? If you guys are copying the Jordan 11 DMP Gratitude, please comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you're passing for whatever reason, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's copying the Jordan 11 Gratitude and who's not. Guys, let me know down below in the comments. Are you picking them up? Are you passing? Are they a must-have? Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Get your giveaway entries in. I'm picking the first winner on release day for the Jordan 11 DMP Gratitudes, and I'll be giving away more pairs in December. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. If you watch my videos, you're a returning viewer, but for some reason you're not subscribed, make sure you guys fix that. Hit that subscribe button and join the More family. Let me know down below in the comments, cop or drop on the Jordan 11 DMP Gratitude. This has been the unboxing, the hold or sell, and I'm going to tell you guys to sell them, of the Jordan 11 DMP Gratitudes. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know down below, cop or drop. Man, these are straight fire. And I want to tell you guys real quick, make sure you guys go cop your Drip Grip sole protectors. They are 30% off for Black Friday. It lasts all weekend. If you guys are watching this video after Black Friday, though, you guys can still use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order. Link down below in the description. The best sole protectors on the market. No slips, no tears. Put them on the bottom of the Jordan 11 Gratitudes or any sneaker. Wear them, peel them off, and you'll have no dirt, slips, tears, anything on the bottom. They'll be brand new, even after you wear the sneaker. The top link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire.